In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your RevTag name or code in Revolut. This is the unique identifier that people can use to send you money instantly, so it's really important to know where to locate it. The good news is that it's very simple, and you can do it in just a few taps on the app. First, open up your Revolut app and log in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top left corner where your profile photo or initials are displayed. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you into your profile page where you can see your account details. Right under your name, you'll see your RevTag. It always starts with an @ symbol followed by your chosen name or a combination of your name and some numbers. That's the exact code you can share with others if you want them to send you money through Revolut. If you'd like to change your RevTag, you can usually edit it in your profile settings, as long as the tag you want isn't already taken. Just remember that your RevTag is unique to you, and it works across all Revolut users worldwide, which makes sending and receiving money much faster. And that's it. In just a few seconds, you can find your RevTag name or code right in your Revolut profile and use it whenever you need to receive payments. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below